Good morning, guys. How are you? This is your boy Jumi. That's another motovlog with our Tracer 900. I don't know how it came to me, but I'll make this tryout at English. Excuse my English if I say something wrong or mistake. It's not my main language. My main language is Greek. I'm at Greece. Right here we are at Piraeus, the central port of Greece, Athens. The reason I'm making this tryout is because I try to catch the best quality of sound without wind noise, without buffering, to have a clear voice so you can hear my voice, what I'm saying without interference, to be pleasant at your ears, and also for you to be able to hear the sound of Tracer, the CP3 motor with the DNA air filter and the slip-on exhaust from Racetech, which is a Greek factory placed here on Piraeus. I haven't trimmed up my ECU yet. I haven't flashed it or tuned it. You can say it as you want. We have a bit traffic now. It's 12 in the midday. It's Tuesday. It's an hour now that it is supposed to have traffic, since everyone is working. Now we will use a road that doesn't go through the cities. It's a quite open road, and I use it oftenly because I can put up some speed and test the wind noise. In front of us there is an XDX, Yamaha XDX 660. I don't want to push it a lot. I don't know the guy. I don't know his capabilities and his abilities. And there is no reason to do it because our motorbikes are not much. The weather is too cloudy today, but we are heading for a wash. We are going to wash our motorbike to keep it clean and clear. As you see, it's a quite open road, peripheral road as we say it, but it has traffic lights too. Να το πάρεις και να το χαρείς. I want you, if this video works perfectly and I'll upload it at YouTube, I want you to make a subscription to my channel. Tell me in the comments below how you heard my voice, because I'm trying something new now. I've seen a lot of you guys trying things and giving advices to other people about microphones, about places in the helmet, about mounts, chins, etc. And now I've tried to put my microphone inside the chin. I believe that it will have a lot of interferences, but I hope for the best. If you don't try, you won't find out. And I'm doing crazy shit now that I shouldn't be doing it, so I better slow down before I had my head broken somewhere. Remember, drive safely, wear always your equipment, helmet, gloves, jackets, trousers, shoes, and enjoy every ride.